Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this beach chair from Ostrich is the most versatile beach chair I've ever seen. This is my first beach lounger, and I don't think I can ever go back to a normal beach chair. The leg rest makes it really comfy to stretch out, and the cup holder is big enough to hold a good sized drink. Laying face down on this beach lounger is really comfy thanks to the face cradle that folds out so you can get a nice even tan or a really nice nap. Why are beach naps so superior? The face cutout also makes it really easy to read a book or scroll on your phone. And even though this is a larger lounger, it folds up and clips closed and has backpack straps, so it makes it really easy to take on and off the beach. Even though I'm only 4'11", it's not cumbersome for me to carry all of my things in this one chair. So if you're looking for a really comfy beach lounger, you're going to love this one from Ostrich. And that's my point of view.